Alright, I'm gonna hook up these connections and we'll see if it'll work. That don't sound good. Well, I mean, no, it don't sound good, but it sounds close also. The closer it is, the more it seems like it's happening to you. When 911 hit, because we usually see terrorism outside this country, but when it hit New York, it seemed kind of close. And the closer you are to New York, the closer it seemed like it happened to you. That's how I felt. I remember my friend Terry Embry, R.I.P. Terry Embry. He called me as soon as he knew. He seen it on the news that we was a plane hit the tower. And I turned on the TV. I thought it was some kind of TV trailer movie, something. And then we kept talking. And then when another one hit, and the news said it was the news that I was watching. I didn't know it. When the news said it, 13 ABC, I knew it was real. I knew it was real. And I was headed to the doctor. So I went on and went to the doctor, but kind of everybody was watching the TV. The doctor wasn't even really moving at that time by the time I got there. When I went in there, everybody was watching the TV. It wasn't nothing happened. It was wow. All right. I'm almost finished here. Let's see if it works. It ain't real powerful, but we're gonna do it anyway.